Hey Shawn, you ever gonna get your garage bathroom done? Yeah, it's done. Do you wanna see it? Come on. So yeah, we did finish the garage, or finish it enough. I don't know. But here, let me show you how it turned out. I think it turned out okay. So it's the middle of January. That noise you hear is actually the furnace up there to heat the garage now, because it wasn't heated before, but it is. But here's the bathroom, man. Here, I think it turned out okay. Right? And then we also went ahead and added some oak kitchen cabinets on that side. And on this side, we went ahead and added cabinets and even a kitchen sink. You know, I just grabbed an old TV that I had. That's actually a plasma TV. That thing still weighs like 100 pounds. But yeah, so how this turned out in here, it's just a toilet. It ain't nothing fancy, right? But again, its job is just to be a toilet. Now, inside walls here are still just OSB. If you remember, I used to have, it said Iowa on the wall, so that's the A. That's just an accident. And then behind the door, oh, hey, what's up? Who's that good looking guy? I just have like a small sink, right? The one thing that people do like is a giant fan. That's I put that in off of a switch right here. So when I first pitched this idea to my wife to kind of remodel our house garage, she was like, that's kind of stupid, a little nutty, a little crazy. And to a degree, she's 100% right. But now that we have this, we use it a lot more than you. I don't know, I can't explain it. Why do I use it? On the other side of this wall, I have a perfectly good kitchen. Yet we cook out here all the time. We hang out here. We're not smokers or anything like that, so that's not why. But like, if we were to have a gathering tonight, it's kind of nice because it keeps the mess outside the house. So if you got something like this in your house, I'd love to see it. I'd like to get ideas and see maybe what we could do to make it different, better. I probably at one point will do something on the inside to clean it up a little bit, instead of just leaving it OSB, but for right now, it works perfectly. So, hey, do you want to hear an embarrassing bathroom story? So there you are, in the middle of summer. It's 300 degrees Fahrenheit in this garage. The doors are open, right? I'm out here at a table working from home because of COVID. That's what you do. And we just got the bathroom hooked up. And then my tummy went, brrr. I'm like, let's go break this bad boy in, right? So I go in there to sit down, and because it was hot, maybe I'm disgusting, I don't know, I left the door open. So I left the door open, I left the door open while the door was open. And then the UPS driver pulled in and got out. And then we made eye contact with one another. I was embarrassed. I think he was embarrassed for me. So now we always shut the door. So yeah, hopefully you found that funny. That's our garage bathroom, right? To us, it feels like we don't even really notice that it's there, and we also can't even imagine not having this kitchen now in our bathroom. So never mind the tables. We definitely are not having a gathering tonight. That would be wrong. Yeah, so hey, let me know if I did okay. Let me know if you'd have done something different or better.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell notifications. Bye!
Bye. Peace.